Hello, welcome guys to the second day of this yoga challenge. So today's theme is twist and flow. Let's go. Now we are going to start with Sukhasana Sthiti and we are going to do some spinal opening before we begin with the flow. So with a deep inhale, interlock your fingers, stretch the arms up over your head. And with an exhale, twist to the right hand side. Grab the right knee with your left hand. Place the right hand back and try looking at the wall behind you. Without releasing your right knee, move the right hand forward. Try to grab the left knee. Cross your arms round the back completely and look down at your chest. With a deep inhale, interlock your fingers. Reach your arms up. And exhale to twist to the left hand side. Try looking at the wall behind you. Without releasing the left knee, move the left hand forward, cross your arms round the back, look down. Inhale to arms up. Exhale to spinal twist. Take a deep inhale here. And exhale to cross your arms rounded back. Inhale to arms up. Exhale to twist. Take a deep inhale here. And exhale to round it back. One last round. Inhale to arms up. Exhale to twist. Deep inhale here. And exhale to round it back. Inhale to arms up. Exhale to twist. Take a deep inhale here. And at last exhale to round it back. With an inhale, release your knees. Place your hands back close to the hip. Roll the shoulders back, draw the chest out, lift the chin slightly up. Feel this gentle chest opening. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With a deep exhale, let your hands walk forward. Try to come down on the elbows. You can drop your forehead on the forearms or on the floor, whatever feels reachable to you. Let's hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to lift the head up, walk your hands back, and from here, cross your legs, land directly into a tabletop position. Now we are going to practice some cat and camel in tabletop. So keep your toes flat. With an inhale, arch your lower back, bring the chest out, look up. And with an exhale, round the back completely, look down. Inhale into the cat. Exhale into the camel. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, bring your spine in the neutral state. From here, just walk your hands one step forward. Tuck in your toes, lift the knees up and land into a downward facing dog. Now you can choose to keep the heels up, keep the knees bent, however you're feeling in the hamstring. Let's hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very gently just bend the alternate knees for 10 rounds and wiggle with the hamstring. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. With a deep inhale, step your left leg forward outside the left hand. Now we have come into the lizard pose. Let go of your left hand support and lift the left arm up, your fingers pointing up towards the ceiling. Just hold for one deep inhale. And with an exhale, drop your elbows down on the floor with your back knee resting on the ground. Flatten your right toe, let this lizard pose go deeper for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tuck in the back leg toe, lift the knee up. Lift your forearms, come back on your palms. And now from here, start walking your hands to the center of your mat to come in a wide-legged forward fold. Now keep your hands under your chest and with the deep inhale, lift the chest up, look in front, and with the deep exhale, let yourself fall down. Now try lifting your sitting bones higher towards the sky and try to bring the crown of your head close to the floor. Even if you're not able to come all the way down, just stay right where you are for 3, 2, 1. With a deep inhale, lift the chest up. Now your right palm will stay rested on the floor in the center of your chest. And with inhale, stretch the left arm up, gaze at the ceiling. Hold into the spinal twist for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you want, you can go deeper into the pose. Roll your left hand from behind your lower back and try catching with the right front thigh. If not, you can just keep the left hand straight in the air. Now release the right thigh, bring the left arm up again. Shift your right hand close to the back portion of your mat. And step the right leg forward into a reverse tabletop and drop your left hand on the floor. Now from here, start lifting the butt up, squeeze the hip muscles in. Hold here for 1 deep inhale. You can stay here or you can just flatten your knees and come into a reverse plank. If not, you can remain in the tabletop and from here gently drop your butt on the floor. Cross your legs, place the palms on the floor and step your legs back into a high plank. From high plank, you can choose to come in half chaturanga dandasana. So place your knees on the floor, bring the elbows in a 90-degree angle, hold in half chaturanga, and with a deep inhale, lift the chest up into an upward facing dog, and exhale into a downward facing dog. Enjoy your mountain pose for 1 breath. Inhale, exhale. This time with a deep inhale, step your right leg forward outside the right hand for the lizard pose. And again with a deep inhale, lift the right arm up, your fingers pointing towards the ceiling. Hold here for just 1 deep inhale. With an exhale, drop your elbows down on the floor. Drop your back leg knee on the ground, flatten the toe, and just enjoy your deep lizard pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tucking the back leg toe, lift the knee up. Lift your forearms, come back on your palm. And from here, walk your hands to the center of your mat and come into a wide-legged forward fold. With an inhale, lift the chest up, look in front, and with an exhale, bend the elbows. Lift the sitting bones higher and try to touch the crown of your head on the floor. Let's hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to lift the head up. Bring your right palm exactly under the center of your chest. Bring the left palm exactly under the center of your chest. And with a deep inhale, lift the right arm up. Now feel the spinal twist and try to bring your arms in a straight line. Just hold for 3, 2, 1. If you want, you can roll your right hand from behind and try grabbing the left front thigh. If not, you can keep your right arm up straight. Now from here, release your thigh, release your right hand in the air. Move the left palm at the back portion of your mat. And from here, step the left leg forward. Hover your right hand behind into a reverse tabletop. Hold, or you can choose to come in a reverse plank pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, and one. Very gently drop your butt on the floor, and from here, to end the flow, we are going to do a little bit of core activation. Simply lift the legs up into a half boat pose with your toes pointing. Bring your arms in the air and bring your arms out together to the left hand side. Let's hold for one deep inhale and one deep exhale. With an inhale, bring your arms to the right hand side. Hold here for one breath. Inhale, exhale. And now very gently bring your arms in the center and let your spine, let your feet drop down on the floor. Keep your knees close to the chest. Open your arms into this cactus pose. From here, move both the knees together to the left hand side of your mat and turn the head to the right hand side. Feel that gentle spinal twist for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the knees up over your chest and drop your knees to the right hand side of your mat. Turn your head to the left hand side. Again, notice that twist in the spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the knees up again over your chest and hug your knees. One last pose of your today's practice, Pavan Muktasana. Just notice the relaxation in your lower back, the pressure of the thighs on your belly. Take a deep inhale here. And with an exhale, stretch your legs down. Lie down in Shavasana Sthiti and just relax. So your palms are facing up towards the sky. Your legs are open as much as your mat. Just take a deep inhale from the tip of your head to the tip of your toe. And a deep exhale from the tip of your toe to the tip of your head. Inhale into your complete body and exhale out of the complete body. Inhale and exhale out all the stress and stiffness. You can stay in Shavasana for as long as you need to. Do not force yourself to get up. So this was our second day of this yoga challenge and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to practice live with me on Zoom, then there's a link below in the description. You can click on that link and book a session with me.